All right. Finally. We're finally gonna draw the bounty hunter himself, Armagon. One of the turtle's toughest enemies. And sometimes ally. This guy's wanted in 27 star systems. And, well, he's technically a mutant shark. Basically the best one that Casey Jones has ever fought. Yeah, I mentioned that. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I've been dying to draw this mutant for like, I don't know how many hours. Now I got the chance. Now, drawing him, we start off with his mechanical shark suit. Not only does this guy have this giant mechanical body, but it also transforms into a mechanical space shark. Yeah, I found it in this segment called Turtles in Space! This guy was one of the obstacles in the way in order to, well, the turtles are on this mission to collect all the pieces of the black hole generator and destroy it before it can fall into enemy hands. That's the objective to stopping the mutants that are invading our home. Some of them were created by the Krang. Only, well, I hope there aren't any other Krang around to fight. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Armagon, if you're watching this episode's for you. He's never had primate in a while. I meant primate. That's what I meant to say. He hasn't had that in a while. He hasn't had primate in a really long time. This guy has a lot of gizmos and gadgets, kind of like the Neutralizer. Those two have a lot in common. For starters, you know Lord Dreg, right? Well, that guy... You saw him. Alexa, play Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme song by Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme song.
Alexa, what is a great white shark?
The great white shark, also known as the white shark, white pointer, or simply great white, is a species of large mackerel shark which can be found in the coastal surface waters of all the major oceans. It is notable for its size, with larger female individuals growing to 6.1 meters in length and 1,905 to 2,268 kilograms in weight at maturity.
Alexa, play Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme song.
Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme.
Here we are. I feel like we'll get to see the Triceratons again soon. So, in the meantime, we'll have to deal with this guy. This awesome, legendary shark. I love him. Alexa, what is Carcharodon?
From fandom.com. Parathons are the imperial family of the ascendancy of the Broken Ring, the historical kings of Orbitridum, and the primary branch of the nobility of Orbitridum, to which most other princely and noble families and lines of the O'Shanty concourse are invariably connected.
Alexa, what is Megalodon?
Megalodon, meaning big tooth, is an extinct species of mackerel shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, from the early Miocene to the Pliocene epochs. It was formerly thought to be a member of the family Lamnidae and a close relative of the great white shark. However, it is now classified into the extinct family Odontidae, which diverged from the great white shark during the early Cretaceous.
That's how you draw armagon. There are more mutants like this coming your way. And this mutant, well, wow, that was a really long time, but it was all worth it. Armagon, I hope you enjoy me drawing this guy for you. And there will be more mutants like this coming your way soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell, love you all, and good night.